And habang tumatagal, lumiliit ang mundo mo. That's why very important to take care of your, build up your character. Madaling isipin siya, no, sa totoo lang, but it needs to start somewhere, somehow. That's what I love about transformational coaching. It allows you to ground yourself with certain values para meron ka mga certain principle na pwede mong sundan para simulan ang leadership journey mo. Para once na nag-start kang humawak ng tao, klaro ka sa sarili mo at naintindihan mo yung proseso. Your word as a leader always have power over your people, sa totoo lang. Always honor your word. Babalik pa rin sa character yan eh. Babalik pa rin sa self-leadership.